Welcome back, friends, to Living in Hobe Sound. If you're new here, my name is Jaime Schwartz. I'm a resident and realtor here in Hobe Sound.
Hey guys, Jody Dupuis. I'm with Mortgage Resources. I'm also living here in Hobe Sound.
Now on this channel, we discuss what it's like to live, work, and have fun here in Hobe Sound.
Come on, let's go. This was fun today.
It was. I had a lot of fun.
If you had a great time here today, be sure to subscribe. And what happens when they subscribe?
They get notified the next time we upload a video.
You guys know how this works. And if you want to watch some more videos from us, take a look here. We've picked some out for you. See you next time.
Bye.